Hey guys, welcome to another weekly video. My name is Joey Van Veen, bringing you guys automotive content from Australia. As you can tell by the clickbait title, I do have a little bit of kit to introduce to the channel. A DSLR camera, so bear with me. I have been currently filming with the GoPro Hero 7 Black, but now converting to the Canon 700D to try and get a little bit better quality out of the videos for YouTube. Don't get me wrong, the GoPro Hero 7 Black is quite versatile, so I probably will still be using it quite a fair bit, especially for the transition, trying to get used to a DSLR camera as well. I don't really just want to put it on auto and go. Even though it would be nice and easy, I do really want to learn the insides of, videography through a DSLR, so then I can eventually, upgrade as well. So anyway, today's video will be an introduction of the camera, also some parts turning up for the Hilux as well. So, cool part about my little setup is that, hey, DSLR, got the, it's called a Manfrotto tripod, which is awesome. The 700D also has this, articulating rear screen as well. So basically, yeah, perfect for, I guess, those vlog style videos and that kind of thing. It's all touchscreen as well, which is cool. So there is that. I've also, what else did I get? I also got a camera bag as well. I got a second lens, so the lens on it at the moment is 18 to 135 millimeter. The other lens that I have is a 55 to 250 millimeter, which I believe are kit lenses. And I also got, battery charger. Anyway, let's get into the next bit of footage. Not much has gone on. Things have gone a little bit stale over the past week or so. But this is a beginning, it is a start, and yeah, we can get back into, get back on that journey, get back on the path of trying to get back on my dirt bike, really. So anyway, here we go. Might try the hand transition. Probably won't try the hand transition, it's overdone. So anyway, let's, in 1, 2, and 3, we'll be on the DSLR. Oh. And back here. Oh, it's so close though. This is awkward, you can like see yourself in the screen beside it. Oh crap, we're filming. Hey, hello, what's going on? Have you noticed anything a little bit different about today's vlog? Well, I hope so. How is this gonna work? Hey, there's a way, and then I can come in. Yeah, that's cool, but it doesn't get rid of the video quality too much, but that is way better. That is way better to film here from. I just really hope that I don't need a mic for now, because maybe if I close some windows it might be a little bit better, but this is awesome. This is cool, man. See what it does. It's on like, must just autofocus itself. It's moving with my face. That's cool. Hopefully it can hear me. So anyway, welcome to today's vlog, guys. My name is Joey Van Veen, and if you like cars, if you like motorcycles, or if you just want to hang out with me, then this is definitely the channel and the video for you. So in today's video, I haven't filmed for a while, just a few ups and downs here and there. I was actually waiting on parts. I actually have them here, have parts that came from spares box for the Hilux. So I needed to get a carby kit for the 22R because I couldn't get the car to idle, and apparently the intake block, I think it's called, the insulator, yeah, it's the insulator from Toyota, actually has its own gasket on there. However, I didn't have a gasket to put on, I just put it on there, and now the car isn't idling. However, if I close a couple of the butterflies on the carby, then the idle comes down. Well, no, sorry, it is idling, but it idles really high. So hopefully that will seal that up, because everything else, I think all the vacuum lines are pretty good. So hopefully that will seal it up. I'll get it running, and then I can ride motorcycles. Anyway, this is a little bit of a tester video, whatever. Anyway. Alright, let's see what this looks like. This is round 2. Tried to video it yesterday, wasn't really feeling it, so didn't spend too much time on the camera. So basically what I want to do is I want to unbox this guy, or unwrap it, should I say. So all parts for the Hilux, carby kit and radiator hoses. Yeah, so I want to do it on camera. I just want to make sure the resolution's good. I've never used this camera before, not properly, not videoing anyway. Well, I haven't used it at all. So getting used to all the settings. Something the GoPro didn't have was aperture settings, and I didn't really stuff around with shutter speed as well too much. So they're the main things I need to figure out, as well as yeah, I guess the low light. Even though there is a lot of light in here, I don't want to throw the ISO up too much on there, make it too grainy. And I kind of, now that this camera has focus and autofocus and all that kind of stuff as well. And yeah, hopefully you guys can hear me. I will get a microphone soon, but for now we'll unbox this guy and make sure that we got the right hoses and the right carby kit. Alright, let's just hope that it's all in frame, and I'll unbox this guy. Oh, I think I'm overthinking it too much with the camera settings and everything, so yeah. Anyway, should have got a knife, but oh man, spares box definitely uses some good materials. I can't let you guys see the address on there, so alright, come on. Awesome. So I have the McKay radiator hoses. See, I don't actually think that, hey, it actually came in frame. Well, alright, so that's that, and then back to me. Sorry, I'm kind of learning on the go. So anyway, so this guy is the upper radiator hose for the Hilux. This guy is the, where are we? The lower radiator hose for the Hilux. Then I have, there's like a pipe that goes from the front timing cover, I believe, to another down pipe, which is like another lower radiator hose, but anyway. And the main part that I needed, which was the carby repair kit. The main point for this buying this kit is basically I didn't put a base gasket on the carby, and I believe that it is seeping in air through the bottom there and causing the idle to jump quite high. So wow, there's actually quite a fair bit in the kit. I won't actually be using a lot of it, I don't think, unless I actually decide to venture down carby life, but I highly doubt that. Anyway, just a quick little intro for today on the new camera until I actually get onto the Hilux. Anyway, this is the little outro. Outside, I don't know, it was footage was average on auto, and then I didn't really get the greatest footage in manual of the car. I could get focus on myself and those kind of bits, but then trying to get clear footage of everything else didn't go so great. So whether that's a camera, I'm not too sure. But anyway, this is yeah, that's it for today. I just wanted to show you guys a camera. I wanted to show you guys what I got for the Hilux and what's in store for the next video. Haven't had too much going on in the past week or two really to film or document, and I wanted to put something up for you guys and just, yeah, show you the new bits. So anyway, hit like, subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys.